Hello, welcome to the Crafty Panda. Today we're going to learn 5th grade math, fraction word problems. This is the Crafty Panda. Let's start. So, Max jumped up 9 steps. Each step was 7/10 feet high. How high did he jump altogether? Now, this is a multiplication word problem. So what we are going to do is 7/10 times 9. Now, so when we do 7/10 times 9, you would probably actually instead do this. Sorry. 7/10 times 9 over 1. Now, 9 is still the same thing as this. This is the exact same thing as this problem. It's like the very exact same thing. So, 9 times 7 is 63 equals 63. And then 10 times 1 is 10. So, our answer is, how high did he jump altogether? So, 63 over 10 feet high. So that's the answer for this word problem. Now, so Max jumped 9 steps. Each step was 7/10 feet high. How high did he jump altogether? 63 and 10 feet high. Our next question is, Tammy built 6 wooden toys. Each toy had a mass of 3/4 kilograms. What was the total mass of the toys that she built? Now what we are going to do, so this is a multiplication word problem. We are going to do 3/4 times 6. Now we're going to do the same thing as we did here. We're going to turn the 6 into 9/1. So turn it into 3/4 times 6/1, which equals 18/4. Now we need to simplify our answer. Simplify means to make it a shorter number and more easier. So 18/4 to simplify it, so 2 goes into both of them. So we do divided by 2/2. Now equals, so 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So our answer, our simplified answer, is 9/2. Now we're not really done yet. We still have to add 9 to what? Like math or apples, like something like that. So 9 to, and that would be So that's the answer. Thanks for watching. Bye.